Well, first of all, thanks for joining our AI-X Network eZ-XPO family here. This is about helping each other, right? Helping your customer and partners. And together we can do more with less. That's really the big picture of why we do what we do. Well, Deluxe, this is a perfect time to introduce yourself to the audience as we actually going to share this with all the customers across all social media channels and help you and everyone else to get educated on this AI platform that we can help everyone to do more with less. So first thing first, uh, if you can tell us about what you do, what is your business, and what kind of customer you've been helping, and that would be a great start.
Sure, sure. Good evening, everybody. My name is Douglas Newton. A little background on me is I am a United States Army veteran, 26 years military, and I'm pursuing my doctorate degree in business administration with entrepreneurship. And so, I have the passion to help startups and entrepreneurs grow their business and thrive and have much success. So what we do is, far as Primetime Consulting Group, we start with bookkeeping, take care of your books first, and then we move to social events that you may have. We build you for getting your business out there, B2B expos, and we also set up for success for consultation as well.
Wow, that's a lot of great services that you provide. And now, let me tell you, I've been meeting a lot of small businesses at Alignable and LinkedIn. Man, you got my attention. That is, you actually combine all these services in one single place, and that's amazing. That's a visionary forward looking sort of a mindset about collaboration. Make it simple, make it it's like a one-stop shop for everything, and make it easier for your customer. How did you get that idea? I mean, obviously, that's a lot of services that you actually bundled together.
Well, yeah, back when I was in the military, I always had like, I guess you could say, a side gig on addition to my pay for the Army. But so I learned a lot, and plus growing up too, my dad, he's a serious entrepreneur and stuff. So it's always been in my blood since even 11 years old when I was delivering papers. I try to help with sell better. So I always had the entrepreneur spirit in me. So I've just figured all the pain points that we always have as far as getting out here, setting up and things. So I just along the way pick up here, pick up there, and got some schooling in my toolkit. So just go from there, build from there.
Yeah, yeah, great. Now, you touched on multiple services. Your prime time consulting, that includes the payroll services, accounting, and now that you got the B2B or small business expo. And now, can you share with me and the audience what are some of the key challenges that you've been facing about launching your business and also the Small Business Expo?
Well, as far as the Small Biz Expo, it's always getting new attendants and vendors. So lead generation was always a sticking point for us. So with lead up from there, it's and just getting the processes in place. Now it's a lot better for us though. So I tell you, this virtual expo, this is really gonna put us on the map and get us out there in the ether, because that's what you got to do. For being a business owner, you just can't sit back. You have to be out there and expose yourself. So I tell you, this right here will do it for us right here.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you for sharing that. What I'm going to do is kind of walk through sort of some of the key features and let the audience know as we are launching this as we speak right now. Let me share the screen. Okay. Uh, that is the virtual hall, as you can see on the backdrop here. Now, let me take it to the lobby session track. And one of the cool thing I noticed that you got a workshop going as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me more about your workshop, a weekly workshop you put together?
Yes, sir. As far as our in-person event will be May 17th, 2025 at
Mm-hmm.
the Crown Complex at Exposition Center. So up till to build our momentum, we'll be doing small virtual expos every third Thursday of the month, and with different topics, of course, different keynote speakers,
Mm-hmm.
doing workshops and speed networking, so everybody get a feel for how's it go will go down for us. So right here we have our first kickoff to really demonstrate this virtual expo to help businesses come on board and have 24/7 exposure here, and so uh, it's just, I mean, it's just going to be great for us and small businesses.
Yeah. So this is the amazing part, right? I mean, this is where and how we architect this is it try to fill in all the missing links, right? The missing link has been silos between Zoom and Expo, right? I
Right.
mean, everybody loves the Zoom, but then the missing link is how do you capture the leads, right? How do you actually have it ongoing, right? Have an ongoing discussion. Well, that is how we actually we the first one actually integrated Zoom into the back end on the auditorium. I can show you on the auditorium where we actually have Zoom here. So when they actually have the Zoom having your workshop here, after you're done with it, well, guess what? We send everyone to the virtual hall. So that is the amazing part. That's the magic, right? And
Uh-huh.
then this whole thing about the session track. The cool thing about this session track is that you can have every week events. It doesn't have to be real time. You can be on demand. You can be promoting a specific sponsor, or you can sharing specific content, which is pre-recorded in the auditorium. We can drive those traffic. We can drive those traffic to different places. If we can drive the traffic to the exhibit hall, we can drive the traffic to every virtual booth or the auditorium. This is really the everyday events that we make it simple. All right. Now, let me just touch on the auditorium here. Like you said, the workshop. This is a really a great uh, strategic action plan, for your part. It is providing valuable education and contents to educate small business to do better with less. And then basically we have once we're actually done with it, we can actually upload those video in this side right here, so they can have a recorded videos that they can come back to watch. Even though they missed a webinar, they can always come back to watch. And then that's another reason why you have a mechanism to have to motivate people to come back on a regular basis, every day, every week. All right. And then we
Mm-hmm.
got a live chat over here as well. This is where we can have live discussions with the chat and have any ongoing um, any questions regarding the topics and so forth. All right, now let's touch on the virtual hall. All right. Uh, yeah, can you maybe you can touch on all the different categories? How did you come up with all these categories?
Well, as far as when we have an in-person event, we break down. We don't know who attendees are from, what industry they're in. So we break it down for we issue them a badge. It's
Uh-huh.
color coded for what industry it belongs to. So
Uh-huh.
here we just put it all in these. I forgot what you call these, but
These are virtual hall. Yeah.
virtual hall. And so it breaks down by industry. So if you click on one, if your industry, click on it, and then your booth will show up
Yeah.
inside of there.
Yeah. So basically, this is like this is like walking to a shopping mall, right? This is like walking to a shopping mall. You got different categories of businesses. So the beauty of the platform is that we can categorize all the different vendors in different places, right? So that people don't have to go to too many places, right, to look for things, right? So in fact, we have a personalization engine on the back end. And when people register, so we actually ask anyone to only select those categories of interest. Let's say they might be interested in healthcare or marketing, social media, right? They just select those two or maybe one more, nonprofits. Those three categories will show up. That's the beauty of our platform, right? So it just make it easier for the matchmaking, right? Now, we do have a featured hall. This is where we actually showcase all the companies, right? These are companies we will want to feature, right? So let's say we're gonna go to this booth right here, and so this is the vendor booth, right? And you can see that we have uh, the videos basically showcasing. These are video that you can actually put in there, just the one you expect to see, and introducing the business and so forth. We have live chat on the right side. We even have a video chat on the left side, and then we got a AI chatbot over here, so that actually can tell
Hello
you.
and welcome to the Carolina Small Biz Virtual Expo. I'm your virtual assistant, here to guide you through everything you need for a successful experience. Whether you're looking to connect with vendors, attend workshops, or learn about upcoming events, I'm here to help. We are here to assist you in navigating the virtual expo and conference. To get the best user experience, you should use Chrome or Firefox in the desktop version. At the top, you see three major menu bars: Lobby, Exhibit Hall, Auditorium, and Network Lounge. You can easily go to any of the areas for showcases and networking. In
All
the
right.
Lobby section, you can attend any of the sessions by clicking on the link for the hourly sessions.
Well, that's our AI assistant, and this is all customizable. The beauty of this AI chatbot is just help facilitate and also provide uh, all relevant information to FAQ to any new visitors coming to the booth, right? This is the amazing part, right? On the back end, we have marketing analytics, tracking all the system. You know exactly who comes to the booth, how long they stay, all the good stuff. All right, anything you want to add, Douglas?
What I like about this platform is that it's 24/7. So I can be asleep and still generate leads and things like that. That's why I'm so impressed with this platform and glad to be a part of this community.
Right, absolutely. And this is the amazing part is that let the system do the heavy lifting. Let the AI do the heavy lifting, right? I mean, we have email marketing, uh, campaign application fully integrated into the platform. Let's say I come into the booth. Well, guess what? The system collect the emails and then automatically launch an email marketing campaign as well. That is also another huge potential that we can help facilitate the overall marketing automation. See, one thing I learned from talking to many small businesses is that, there's so many different technology. Unfortunately, most of them don't sync up. Well, the small businesses have to figure out how to sync up, which is another another big project. As you know, small business should be spending time with their customers, not worrying about trying to figure out all the IT stuff on the back end. So what we have done is, and you can see on the inside already that we got Zoom fully integrated already. We got live chat already integrated. We also have video chat. Now, obviously, you can use Zoom, but this is just for convenience, right? One pop, and you can talk to people inside the video, inside the virtual booth. All right, so now let me just gonna touch on the other AI pieces. All right, we haven't talked to the other AI pieces that we have. Now, now we are still in the early stage in setting up, but let me just touch on the search engine optimization and also the social media side. Okay. Those are the two other social media AI applications that we have installed here. Now, one of the things that why we put together those AI application is to really make it simple, make it so affordable that you actually can, everybody can actually use it, right? And one of the things that is like the Microsoft 365 strategy, right? One flat fee, you get all the app. So we do the same thing over here. So that we got the SEO right here. So you put in the keyword, and then the AI will do the blog post for you, and actually give you the recommended keywords and stuff like that. This is another powerful AI application we put together. Now the dashboard, the AI social media, this is where we actually can set up you can create a post, you can use AI prompt to create the posts. All right. We got many AI prompts posts over here you can use, and then you can schedule it right here, and then you can share across all social media channels. Now imagine that you can do that with, every company. Let's say you got 10 companies, right? Everyone do that and leverage that to share the content across all social media channels. So instead of one company doing all the heavy lifting, everybody can pull all the traffic together. That's the amazing part about behind the platform. All right, so anything you want to add to it?
No, well, for me, I'm not a tech savvy guy, but I'm catching on to it. So it's real user friendly, and it's like, boys with their toys, So you have fun with it setting up, and it's real quick to catch on.
Yeah, yeah. So I think the idea is that, instead of going through, I mean, there are multiple applications inside this platform. I mean, the back end can be pretty complex, but what we have done is simplified all the application and make it simple that everyone can use it and save more time and money, right? And drive more organic traffic and word of mouth referrals. That's the whole purpose of doing all that together. All right.
Right. And I know there's a little stress out there. AI, everybody's on, kind of on the fence, but I assure you, it's not the Terminator 2 AI. So you don't have to worry about that.
Well, let me use it for the good side, right? This is the Terminator 2 for the inflation.
Of course.
So this is really about thriving, right? Leveraging the best in class AI technologies to do more with less thriving and helping everyone work together. I mean, we're currently working with a couple of BNI ambassadors. So we always say this is the next generation of BNI without limit. And this is it. And this is you think about how this can help everyone together. When we pull together, everybody wins and everybody can thrive and say more. All right. So anything you want to add to it?
Oh no, you pretty much cover everything. I'm pretty good. I'm just ready to go ahead and get started and help business
Yeah.
grow and
Well, let
succeed.
me, would you like to share your contact information? If anyone wants to reach out to you, what can you share your phone number or anything?
Yeah, if they want to reach us, they can reach us at 910-729-6398. If they want to email us, they can email us at biz.development at carolinasmallbizexpo.com.
All right, great. Douglas, it's been my pleasure working with you. You're truly a game changer for your business and having the vision for collaboration with AI. All right.